Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Bobby Two Pops Breaks. It is Wednesday, September the 22nd, and we are breaking Bob Box full-size helmets. She's a one-box break. We did random teams for it on the left. We've already randomized teams, customers, alphabetized everyone. Gave them a chance to trade, but not many offers happening. Before we did any of that, though, we randomed up our 28, remaining box numbers. Got number 41. So here we go. Well, guys, be a nice helmet for somebody there. Wow. Very sorry, everybody. Bam! That is going to be a very nice hit there on the Dak Prescott, folks. That is a Hydro F7. I know in that light it's a little hard to see the Hydro, but it shows a lot better in person. But bam, again, Hydro F7 has the Beckett Witness hologram on that one. Very nice hit. Well, and there you go, Larry. I'm very sorry, everybody else. Larry going to take that. I just want to change cameras, guys. See if the Hydro doesn't show a little better on this camera. Yeah, there you can see it a little bit better on this one. Like I said, that light sort of bleaches it out for some reason. But she is a Hydro F7 Beckett Witness hologram on that, baby. Very nice hit for you, Larry. Again, my condolences, bud. Well, I'm glad you got a little hit there. Bring you at least a little joy right now. No, it may not be much, but like I said, my condolences, bud. I know you got a hard day there tomorrow. But here we go. We got Larry. And I'm very sorry, everybody else. Congratulations, Larry, though. We're going to pull Larry out there. All right, this is for the Mahomes qualifier, everybody. Well, we got an 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bam. 8 times. Well, I got Drew on his birthday, and then Steve going to be the qualifiers for the Mahomes. We got 87, 88 on the qualifier numbers. We got 27 boxes left in the series, folks. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Bobby Two Pops Breaks.